Hello everyone and welcome to the Druid's Den. In this video we will be converting this disgusting beat up old shed into a beautiful tiny home, spending $4,000. Thankfully the shell is in pretty good shape, so that's a nice start. Let's check out the inside. So, as you can see, the shed has seen better days. The previous owners seem to have put insulation in, but they never got to the drywall, so now the insulation is everywhere. Since then, it has been used for storage by my parents. Looks like we've got our work cut out for us on this one. Better get to cleaning.
Okay, so we're not 100% sure that the power works in here. I know parts of, like, certain plugs work. The one outside works, just like on the wall outside, but this one, I don't know if it works. So let's find out. Hey, you hear that?
Yeah, that sounds good. That beep.
I think we got power. Hell yeah.
Success.
Where's the switch? It's a light switch in here.
There you go.
Well, this is cool. Okay. That makes it a little easier to work in here.
I don't know how you're gonna clean up this. It looks hard.
So with the lights and AC working, Sarah and I were able to survive the Texas heat and get the shed all cleaned out.
Been getting so much insulation out of there. It is insane. So as you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done, but we at least got the insulation out. So I got a little bit more to do. There's like a round piece of wood I got to pull out and get that insulation out. Same with right there, but the majority of it's finished. But yeah, here's one last nice look at it all. So it's coming together. And we're gonna bring in some plumbing. The water opening is like right over here. They already actually put a hole in it. So you can see that's where the plumbing is gonna come through. Kind of a weird spot, but I can work with it, I guess. And then I'm gonna have it come probably, through here, because we want to have the bathroom actually back here in the dark area. I'm going to build a wall right here. Have maybe a door right there or something, or on that side. Probably on that side because it's taller. Bathroom over here, toilet right here. Yeah.
Now that we have it cleaned and planned out, it's time to start the inner wall separating the bathroom from the living room. The wall is up and new floor is down. Next up is insulation. At this stage of the build, we're about $1,500 in from buying insulation, 2x4s for the wall, and 6 large floor panels. The next big purchase was the drywall and mud, which ended up around $1,000. This is one of the hardest parts of the build in my opinion, just because drywall is heavy and a pain to move around. It's also one of the most rewarding parts as well because it really starts to look like a home. So here's a look at it with the drywall just about done. Just need some mud to finish it up and add a cool texture to the walls. This is what I did with the mud. Just applied it randomly, but I think it gave it a pretty nice look. The last $1,500 were spent on cabinets, counters, flooring, and paint. The counter was particle board, finished to look like granite, so thankfully it was pretty easy to cut and put in place. The flooring we used was a stick-on vinyl purchased from Home Depot. These worked well for us. I just had to make sure the floor was clean so it would stick properly. So here it is, just about finished. Just a few more small touches and we'll be done. But first, let's finish up the outside with a little paint and landscaping. We went with scarlet and gray paint since this is being built for my parents and they are Ohio State University fans and alumni. And just to pretty up the front yard, I added in a small flower bed with some ferns and begonias I had left over from work. So here's the exterior all finished up. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let's see how the inside looks. It's all finished now and I'm really happy with how it turned out.